bring in transparency between students, teachers and parents for the educational setup and the institution, we have a very important scheme which is INSET, the Integrated National School Education Treasury, as it has been named as. The idea is this would bring about a fully integrated accessible and information network that would be connecting all the stakeholders, as we said, the schools, the teachers, the parents and the students together. So if let's say a parent wants to know whether a teacher is really absent or having false attendance and showing classes being happening, students and parents can track that. In case of incorrect information being provided by schools regarding infrastructural facilities, regarding number of teachers, regarding qualifications of the teachers or any associated phenomena, those could be tracked through INSET. So this would be an idea to bring about better transparency into educational system, and a continuous feedback system would be available. Also, there would be a quick connection between the various school portals, the various applications that are being hosted, and the quality of education would definitely get improved with the help of the information network that has been done. So there would be more cases where electronic content would be provided, quizzes or learning enhancement tools would be provided, and teachers would be allowed to use audiovisual aids for classroom development, and all this tracking would be made possible through deep machine learning and artificial intelligence. So the sole idea of this INSET scheme is to improve the quality of school education system and also for bringing in evidence-based interventions wherever required. So those are the major objectives of the INSET scheme, a recent scheme that has been brought about by the government. Very important for this year. We would be covering many more upcoming interesting and current topics for your examination point of view. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.